Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the latest iteration in DJI's popular sub 250-gram drone series. This particular package comes as a bundle, including the drone itself with the RC-In2 controller, 2 total batteries, a set of ND filters, and a 128GB memory card, giving you a great head start right out of the box. One of the most significant aspects of the Mini 4 Pro is its weight, coming in at less than 249 grams. This is crucial because in many regions, drones under this weight have fewer regulatory hurdles, making it much easier for people to get flying. Despite its ultra-light design, it's also foldable, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry anywhere. DJI has packed some serious technology into this small frame. The gimbal camera is capable of shooting stunning 4K video at up to 60 frames per second with HDR, capturing vibrant and detailed footage. For those who love slow motion, it can even record in 4K at 100 frames per second. A standout feature for content creators is true vertical shooting, which allows the camera to rotate 90 degrees to capture footage perfectly formatted for social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram stories, without needing any post-processing rotation. Safety has seen a major leap forward with the Mini 4 Pro. It now features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, a significant upgrade from previous models. This means the drone can detect obstacles in all directions, providing a much higher level of protection during flight. Combined with Smart Return to Home, which plans an optimal route back to its takeoff point, flying feels much safer and more confident, even for beginners. Speaking of flying, the Mini 4 Pro offers a solid flight experience. It boasts a maximum flight time of up to 34 minutes on a single battery, giving you ample time to capture your shots. It can also handle winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, rated at level 5 wind resistance, which is impressive for such a lightweight drone. The transmission system has also been upgraded to OcuSync 4, extending the maximum transmission range significantly compared to the Mini 3 Pro. This allows the drone to fly farther while maintaining a stable connection and live video feed. Intelligent features are abundant here. The Mini 4 Pro includes advanced tracking capabilities like Active Track, which can now handle complex route planning, allowing the drone to follow subjects in more dynamic and creative ways. With a skill level rated for all, it's designed to be accessible whether you're a complete novice or an experienced pilot. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro takes the successful formula of its predecessors and enhances it with key safety, performance, and creative features. The included bundle adds great value, providing essential accessories like extra batteries, ND filters for managing light, and a high-capacity memory card. It truly feels like one of the most capable and user-friendly sub 250-gram drones available today.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.